Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Walgreens Halloween clearance, freebies, and cheap deals. When I say free, guys, I really got 2 products for free in here. All right, no overage, but just free. Let's go over to the oral care immediately. Pick up those 2 Hello toothpastes. They're originally $5.99 right here. They're on sale for $5. Now, we're going to scan it. When we look at it, it is when you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. But it is a high value coupon, so let's pick up 2 of those. We're going to scan right there. And when we look at the scanner, we see it's $4 off of 2. So whenever you see the red plus sign, you need to turn it into a green check mark. That's going to say that you do have your deal. Excuse my nails. I've been cleaning my garden out, guys. And always look in there to see if you found your product. And there's the Hello toothpaste right there, okay? Sometimes it can get really specific, but this one did attach. Now you're going to do 5 plus 5 is 10. You're going to take your $4 off, leave you at $6 to pay out of pocket. Then once you pay out of pocket, a $5 register reward should print, leave you at $6, take your $5 off, $1 left. Those toothpastes were 50 cents each, so you could pick those up. All right, now we are looking at some earn deals right now, but the one that I'm concentrating on is going to be the one that says earn $5 on your next reward. It does not have a limit of what you can buy, so I just opened it up to make sure that that is really what it said. Then it showed me all the qualifying products, which was everything in on those categories. So basically the store. Okay, now first freebie got to be metallics is $14.99, save $11.50. They're now $2.99. Always click, look at that, guys, a $7 off 2 coupon. If you know if it's $7 off 2, then what? That's gonna be free. They do not give you overage at Walgreens. It just lowers it down to free. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. Take your $7 off, $1.02. I will hopefully, get lucky and they'll use it. So we got 2 freebies in there and 2 toothpastes for 50 cents each. Plus we made $5 Walgreens cash and $5 register rewards. Now when I start looking around, I see a ton of orange tags up in here that we could look at. Scan all of those, guys. It's dirt cheap. Now Axe also has a good deal going on, a deodorant and a body wash. I'm going to show you this Axe deal, but we're going to actually do the body wash deal because it's awesome. This is a $6 coupon off of the Axe deodorant. The deodorant in Walgreens is expensive, $7.49. When you can get it cheaper at Dollar General, guys, I don't gatekeep, right? $14.98. Take that $6 off, $8.98 divided by 2, $4.49. That's not worth it. But when we go over to the Axe body wash, you get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Then they're on sale 2 for $9.44. So let's scan it and see what we got going on. It's a $5 off 2 coupon. Tap that plus sign, make it a green check mark. That way when you cash out, that coupon will come off. Make sure your product is attached, and there it is, the Axe Black. We're going to do $9.44. Take off that $5 coupon, leave you at $4.44. Now once you cash out, you will get a $2 printout, making those $1.22 each. So now we're up to a $2 register reward, a $5 register reward, and a $5 Walgreens cash and 2 freebies. It's tons of orange tags, toys, everything all around the store, guys. I'm going to show you a glimpse of them, but I will suggest if you're looking for cheaper deals, go through Walgreens and walk and scan. Now here's some things for 60 cents. It's not here, but I like to show you the tags because guess what? You can go and look for them. 68 cents for gloves. A lot of times, guys, these things are cheap. Now I was looking for my Breeze bathroom spray, which is $3.49, save $1.50. We're going to scan that. It has a coupon attached to it, $3.50 off of 2. Now we know that from other stores, Dollar General is 1. So you're going to do $3.49 times 2, leave you at $6.98. Take your $3.50 off. leave you at $3.48. Divide that by two, $1.74. So I'm gonna pick those two up because I use those in my car. You see this Epsom salt, guys? The eucalyptus and the lavender, if you could find it, is on sale for 79 cents. Buy one, get one 50% off. So I paid 79 cents for one bag, and then I paid 39 cents for the other one, okay? Now, the Walgreens vegan face sunscreen lotion is on clearance for $1.29, guys. Scan that. All right. And it's that moisturizer. I made sure. Buy one, get one 50% off. So let's look and see what $1.29 leads us to. 64 cents each. Is 3 left here, and I put 1 in my cart, so I have a even number, and I will be paying 64 cents each for those. I did go to 2 stores, guys, so that's why you see different things in my cart. Now, this is the candy clearance. I'm gonna let you look at the candy clearance. Some was $1.40. It's 80 to 90% off. It depends on what store you're going to. All right, some stores just want to get rid of. This store had a ton of candy. So yes, they had a lot off, and they had another cart behind that one with candy in it. People did not buy a lot of Halloween candy this year. See, 90% off some of the Halloween toys that you see, like the necklaces, those things. But that girl Dolly chocolate, I hope I'm pronouncing it out, I'm pretty sure I'm not, was cheap, and I always break those up and put them in cookies, so I think that was a great deal. I picked up the Starburst at $1.20, which to me, guys, if you get lucky, hold out, at least it's a Saturday, it should be even cheaper. It should be a little cheaper than that. Candy corn was 86 cents. It really should be just like almost half of that. Those M&Ms could wait. They were still $2 and something. Okay. Though the little glow up pumpkins that go around your neck, the necklaces, 50 cents. I think that'd be great for the little kids to wear. Spider webs, 30 cents. The Reese's candy right here. Trolleys. Those bags were $4. Which was an awesome deal. And I picked up, I think, one blue and 2 red bags. Now, $1 for the Sour Patches. I did get 3 bags, and then a guy got the other bag. And then it is the Werther's Caramel, which I love, guys, was $1 and I think 40 cents per bag. All of those were $4. So what we doing is, if you want to stock up, or hey, give it out for Christmas, stuff the stockings, guys. That's all you do. But look for those carts over there. Now, this is store number 2. This is how my cart looked. The caramel apple pops were $1.06. My granddaughter loved those, so I did buy a couple of bags of those right there. And then the Nerds gummy clusters were also good. So we did get a lot of candy. So I'm kind of candied out for the rest of the year. I know the boys will go through this, but I'm candied out. If you guys all let me know. More clearance on hair products. Now this is another store. See that $4.29? Textured hair color products are clearance out also. And it's a $2 off coupon. It says 2 more offers off after that. So that means I'm going to pay $2.49 for that hair coloring. $2.29. So I just put that in there. I'm going to grab those, guys. Then there's plenty of more hair colors that you can get. Go in, scan. Clairol, Maybelline, all of those have awesome deals. Now, if you look at it, guys, here's my deal. Came up to $18.50. Now, I did the coloring on another one because I added more products to it. So I did get $6.19 back. Walgreens cash. Now remember, $18.19. That's what we paid. Then I got the $2 off from the Axe and the $5 from the Hello. So we're gonna go $18.90. Okay, let's start taking everything off. take your $6.19 off from the $5 cash I earned, $5 register reward I earned, and then $2 register reward.